Still using rental software from the last decade? It's time to upgrade to something built for how you work today. Cloud Rent Pro 2.0 is built for the field. Fully mobile, fully streamlined, and ready when you are.
Now you can manage SWMS, toolbox talks, take fives, and complete risk assessments on-site, on your phone or iPad.
Track service and maintenance, log depreciation schedules, and capture digital signatures in seconds.
With CRM, a customer portal, staff rosters, and built-in email marketing, it's all connected, all in one place.
Cloud Rent Pro is a game changer. If there is something you need, we can develop it in weeks, not months.
Everything you need in one platform.